about that person, and you don't even take a picture, and you say, this person is a robber in a hospital. This person is not a medical person, he's a robber. He's attaching money to care. And you don't expose. Then, who is to blame? You. You are the corrupt. So corruption, if you are to be charged, even you who gives money, should go to court and be charged and taken to Ruzira, because you are encouraging that. So, corruption is everyone's responsibility. It cannot be permanent secretary. How many facilities? We have over 6,000 facilities in the country. Imagine if I was to go and sit there and wait to see someone who is charging, someone who is extorting money. You think that it's only God who is everywhere? Yes. But that corruption must be fought by everyone, including journalists here. Because you talk, corruption, charging. What have you done? Tell me, who did you report? Who did you report? Who did you expose? When somebody asks you for money, who did you come out and say, I have my smartphone, I take, let me first go and tell the director about this person who is extorting money. If the director does not, you say, send me the information. This person, this officer in this facility extorted money from me or from my patient. I paid so much, I was desperate, I paid, but this is the officer. Deal with it. I can assure if you brought me that information, that person would not stay in that facility. And we do not condone, we punish heavily with evidence, because if I don't have the evidence, you know our laws, everybody's innocent until proven guilty. So I will not even take that person to court because there is no evidence. When I used to be in HMU, I would photocopy money and go and just, quietly give to patients. You say, anyone who asks you for money, you give, and you just alert me. And then I ambush. I just go, you give money, I come for you. I harvested quite many in Mulago, and that habit had stopped. But I'm not there now, sorry. But who is going to